What if I told you there's a $15.18 stock that produced 2/3 of all U.S. uranium since 2017, operates America's only conventional uranium mill with 8 million pounds annual capacity, just qualified its dysprosium oxide for South Korean EV magnet production, secured $700 million in convertible notes, bringing working capital near $1 billion, and holds heavy mineral sands projects in Madagascar, Australia, and Brazil, positioning it to supply enough rare earth feedstock to power 6 million electric vehicles annually by 2027? With potential targets of $75 to $100 representing 394% to 559% upside, this could be the ultimate critical minerals powerhouse. This stock surged 180% over the past year from $5 to a $27 peak before consolidating to current levels. Massive volatility reflecting the explosive critical minerals market. But here's what makes this transformational. Trump administration prioritizing domestic uranium and rare earth production as China controls 80% of rare earth processing and 40% of uranium enrichment. Pentagon recognizes these materials essential for nuclear submarines, missile guidance, EV motors, and defense systems. Their White Mesa mill in Utah produces commercial-scale separated heavy rare earth oxides, dysprosium and terbium, commanding premium pricing for permanent magnets. Texas Capital just initiated coverage with buy rating and $20 near-term target. With 465,000 pounds uranium produced in Q3 2025 targeting 2+ million pounds annually by 2026, heavy rare earth oxide qualification by major South Korean automaker, Toliara project in Madagascar called Best Critical Mineral Development Project in the World. Zero debt with nearly $1 billion working capital, and multi-commodity diversification across uranium, rare earths, vanadium, and medical isotopes. Could this be the ultimate U.S. critical minerals strategic play? Before I reveal which uranium and rare earth powerhouse I'm analyzing, welcome to Smart Investing. I find undervalued critical minerals, uranium, and battery metal stocks with government support and proven production. If you want opportunities in uranium and rare earths, hit that like button and subscribe. Now let me show you America's critical minerals champion. The company I'm analyzing today is Energy Fuels Incorporated, trading on NYSE American under ticker symbol UUU and TSX as EFR. Energy Fuels is America's leading producer of uranium, rare earth elements, and critical minerals. Founded in 1987 and headquartered in Lakewood, Colorado, Energy Fuels operates White Mesa Mill in Utah, America's only conventional uranium mill with 8 million pounds annual capacity. The company produced 2/3 of all U.S. uranium between 2017 to 2023. They also produce separated rare earth oxides, vanadium, and are developing heavy mineral sands projects in Madagascar, Toliara, Brazil, Bahia, and Australia, Donald JV, to supply monazite rare earth feedstock. Currently trading at $15.18, UU represents leveraged play on uranium and rare earth market explosions. While Texas Capital initiated coverage with conservative $20 near-term target, 32% upside, long-term potential reaching $75 to $100 represents 394% to 559% gains. The transformational scenario: if uranium production scales to 5 million pounds annually by 2028 with prices above $80 per pound, rare earth separation capacity expands to 6 million electron volts equivalent by 2027. Toliara and Donald projects commence production providing low-cost feedstock, vanadium and medical isotope revenues materialize, and government secures domestic supply through long-term contracts. The stock could reach $75 to $100 over 3 to 5 years, representing 394 to 559% gains as America's only vertically integrated critical minerals producer. The risk scenario: uranium prices decline below $70 per pound, rare earth production faces technical challenges, Madagascar project encounters permitting delays, or competition intensifies. Stock could decline to $10 to $12, representing 21 to 34% downside. December 19, 2025, Announced dysprosium oxide passed all quality benchmarks of major South Korean automotive manufacturer for permanent magnet production, validating commercial heavy rare earth capabilities. Texas Capital initiated by rating with $20 target. November 3, 2025, Q3 results showed 465,000 pounds uranium produced, on track to exceed 2025 guidance. Produced 29 kilograms dysprosium oxide through September. Completed $700 million convertible notes, offering boosting working capital near $1 billion with zero debt. November 2025. Secured government approvals for Donald Project in Australia plus conditional $80 million Australian dollar export finance Australia support. Energy Fuels presents compelling multi-commodity critical minerals opportunity unmatched in U.S. market. The uranium dominance is unrivaled, 2/3 of all U.S. production since 2017, only conventional mill operating, targeting 5 million pounds annual capacity by 2028 from Nichols Ranch, Whirlwind, and future projects like Roca Honda and Sheep Mountain. The rare earth breakthrough is transformational. First U.S. commercial separated heavy rare earth oxide producer, dysprosium and terbium qualified for automotive magnets. Phase 1 capacity powering 1 million EVs expanding to 6 million EVs by 2027. The Toliara project in Madagascar provides game-changing low-cost monazite feedstock containing rare earths, titanium, and zirconium, called Best Critical Mineral Development Project in the World by management. The $1 billion balance sheet funds aggressive growth without dilution, with $700 million convertible notes at 0.75% interest and conversion price boosted to $30.70 through capped call transactions. There you have it, Energy Fuels at $15.18 with $75 to $100 potential, 394 to 559% upside, America's only uranium mill, first U.S. commercial heavy rare earth producer, dysprosium qualified for EV magnets, $1 billion working capital, zero debt. And targeting 6 million electron volts capacity by 2027. With Trump prioritizing domestic critical minerals, this could be the ultimate U.S. strategic play. What's your take? Is uranium and rare earths the opportunity of the decade? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe to Smart Investing. Remember, educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.